Hello, it's the Barista. In this video, we're brewing an amazing iced coffee using the AEROPRESS coffee maker. This is one of the easiest way that you can brew an amazing iced coffee either at home or in a coffee shop. To brew our iced coffee, all we need is the AEROPRESS coffee maker. We need the jug, we need freshly roasted coffee, and we need to boil our water on a 90-degree temperature. So we'll start by getting the AEROPRESS paper filter. It's a microfilter paper. It fits in the cover. We just lock it down, fit it on the top of the jug. So we'll start by weighing our coffee beans. We need 20 grams of coffee beans. We're going to grind our coffee beans on a medium to fine grind size. For its particles are similar to the table salt, so we'll go a bit more fine with our grind size. So we'll add 100 grams of ice into the jug before brewing. So after adding our 100 grams of ice, we'll press the AEROPRESS up. We'll use the AEROPRESS funnel so that we can pour in our coffee. 20 grams of coffee. We'll tally our weighing scale. So we're going to pour in 100 ml of water at once. So we're going to pour in 100 ml of water to ensure all the grains are wet at once. Wait it for 2 minutes. To pour in 100 grams of water, cover it up so that the water doesn't flow. We're going to wait it until 2 minutes as the coffee is being brewed and extracted. So at 2 minutes, we'll just swirl our coffee a little bit, then press it down. We're going to press in a gentle press for 30 seconds until all the coffee is being pressed out. When all the coffee is pressed out, you will hear a hissing sound. You pull it up a little bit so that you avoid the dripping. So we'll mix our coffee so that the ice melts and makes the coffee cold. So that I can test it. This is one of the easiest way that you can brew an amazing iced black coffee using the AEROPRESS coffee maker. Following this recipe step by step, you will come up with an amazing cup of coffee that you can enjoy either at home or in a coffee shop. For this Ethiopian coffee, you can really feel its body, you can feel the fruitiness, you can feel the red apple, strawberry, and the bit of the mango. It has that sweet candy finish. By following these simple steps and recipe, you can brew an amazing iced coffee like a pro. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, support, and let's share this video so that we can educate more people. Leave a comment below for any question or suggestions. I'll link up my video for how to brew a hot AEROPRESS Until next time, have a nice day.